I'm about to show you a video that I recorded in November 2021. I actually started my investing journey more than a decade ago. In the beginning, I learned technical analysis in a very expensive course, but it felt so boring to learn about green and red candles. I tried it for a while, but it was so tedious that I thought it wasn't for me. If this is what investing is about, I'm out. I tried to explore other intriguing fields. I didn't know what to do, so I started to study philosophy to develop my mind. During my bachelor's, there were many sales at the university, and I bought any book I could find about investing. I didn't have time to read them, but this topic truly captivated me. After I finished my bachelor's, I still didn't have a clue about what I wanted to do in my life. So I traveled the world, and then 2 years later, COVID started. With the world on pause and me confined indoors, it was the perfect time to read all the books I had collected. I immersed myself in each book, and they consistently discussed financial reports. This prompted me to attempt to learn it on my own. And then it hit me. Why not turn this interest into a profession? So I enrolled in a course to prepare for the Israeli Securities Authority exams with the goal of becoming a financial advisor or portfolio manager. I attended 6 courses, with the most critical ones for my investment understanding were accounting, finance, and economics. Economics posed the greatest challenge, as I typically had 4 months to prepare for each exam. However, because I spent the first 2 months learning Latin, I had only 2 months left to prepare for economics. But I succeeded nonetheless and passed all of the exams on my first attempt. I was informed that a strong Excel proficiency was necessary for such positions, which led me to undertake an Excel course just before recording this video and submitting my CV. In fact, I learned Excel on my own within a span of 2 weeks prior to creating this video. The purpose of this video is to showcase my Excel skills and investing knowledge. I apologize for the video quality. I couldn't locate the original file, so I had to download it from my YouTube channel. This Excel file I've created is a powerful tool for swiftly analyzing stocks. It has significantly aided me in identifying numerous promising stocks for potential investment. My analysis begins with copying the financial statements into my Excel file. Upon completing this step, I can effortlessly trigger a button I have developed using Excel VBA. This button seamlessly extracts the desired metrics from the financial statements and organizes them on the analysis sheet. With these metrics in hand, I proceed to calculate the projected price range within which the stock should be traded. Now I provide a glimpse into 4 instances of stocks that I analyzed using this precise file in June and July of 2020. Additionally, I'll present charts illustrating the performance of the stocks from that time until November 2021. As you see, these stocks have outperformed major market indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq by a significant margin. This is my proficiency with Excel before commencing professional work. In the next video, I'll demonstrate my enhanced Excel skills after gaining several months of work experience. This time, I want to show you companies I found using this exact method that have successfully made an exit, which means they were purchased by other companies. And if you were wondering, I shared this video with financial companies, and within less than a week, I received a job offer despite having no prior work experience or financial degree.